Big Brother 27 ended in dramatic fashion, with Ashley Hollis walking away as the winner and cementing her name in the history of the reality competition. While many fans have credited her strategic gameplay, social charm, and ability to stay off the radar until the crucial final weeks, new speculation has emerged that points to something far more unusual as the reason behind her victory. According to discussions spreading rapidly among the Big Brother fan community, a surprising production mistake may have tipped the scales in Ashley's favor and changed the entire trajectory of the season. Ashley entered the Big Brother house as an underdog, a quieter personality compared to larger-than-life competitors who immediately commanded attention. For much of the summer she was perceived as a background player, floating between alliances and avoiding direct conflict. But as the season progressed, her strategic awareness began to sharpen. She formed key bonds, avoided unnecessary drama, and ultimately positioned herself perfectly for the late-game phase. Still, her win came as a shock to viewers who expected one of the more dominant figures like Eva Pearl or Keen Yu Soto to take home the grand prize. That shock quickly gave way to suspicion when eagle-eyed fans noticed inconsistencies in the way certain competitions were run and aired. The most talked about moment revolves around the final power of veto competition. This event was critical because it determined who would ultimately sit in the final three and face the jury's decision. During this competition, a puzzling error appeared to give Ashley an advantage. In the challenge, house guests were tasked with solving a complicated sequence puzzle that required precise timing and accuracy. Several live feed watchers noticed that Ashley's puzzle station reset incorrectly after a brief cut in the feed, giving her additional time compared to the others. What looked at first like a minor glitch ended up being the turning point of the game. Ashley secured the win in that competition, which not only saved her from potential eviction but also allowed her to take control of the endgame. CBS has not confirmed whether the production hiccup influenced the outcome, but longtime fans argue that such mistakes have historically altered Big Brother seasons in subtle ways. Unlike scripted television, reality competitions rely heavily on fairness and transparency, and even small technical errors can shift the entire balance of the game. The debate has spread across social media platforms, with hashtags related to Ashley's win trending for days. After the finale, some viewers insist that she still played a masterful game and deserves full credit for her victory, while others argue that without the production mistake she never would have reached the end. Adding to the speculation is the way the finale itself was presented. During the final head of household competition, another questionable moment drew attention. A timing discrepancy between rounds seemed to favor Ashley once again, although CBS edited the broadcast in a way that made it difficult to scrutinize closely. Fans who follow the live feeds were quick to point out the differences between what they saw in real time and what later aired on television. These inconsistencies have fueled theories that production either intentionally or unintentionally altered the competition flow in Ashley's favor. It is important to note that Big Brother has faced similar accusations in past seasons. The franchise has a long history of fans questioning whether production influences outcomes, either to protect certain players for entertainment value or simply through mishandled technical setups. From questionable competition resets to controversial twists introduced at suspiciously convenient times, Big Brother has never been entirely free from rumors of manipulation. Ashley's win, however, has reignited the debate with fresh intensity because of the high stakes and the fact that the finale hinged on razor-thin margins. Ashley herself has addressed the controversy in post-show interviews, though she has kept her comments diplomatic. She has acknowledged that the competitions were tough and that unexpected elements are always part of the game, but she has also emphasized the importance of her social relationships with the jury. She pointed out that she maintained trust with key players throughout the season, even when she was not in power, and that her ability to avoid becoming a target was her true winning strategy. Many fans agree with this assessment, arguing that no single mistake by production could overshadow the months of subtle and effective gameplay Ashley put into her journey. The jury's decision to crown Ashley as the winner also complicates the narrative. At the end of the day, her fate rested in the hands of her fellow house guests, not the competitions alone. The jury considered her relationships, her ability to articulate her strategy during the final speeches, and the contrast between her style of play and her opponents. Even if production mishaps created openings for Ashley, she still had to seize those opportunities and convince others to reward her with the win. That aspect of her victory cannot be denied, regardless of the speculation surrounding technical errors. Still, the controversy underscores the delicate balance Big Brother must maintain. The show thrives on drama, twists, and surprises, but it also relies on the trust of its audience. When fans suspect that outcomes are influenced by something other than the players themselves, it undermines the core appeal of the competition. CBS will likely have to address these concerns in some capacity before Big Brother 28, whether through public statements, stricter competition oversight, or adjustments to how live feeds and broadcasts are handled. For Ashley Hollis, the debate surrounding her win may follow her long after the cameras stop rolling. She now holds the Big Brother crown, but her legacy will be colored by whispers of production errors. Some fans will celebrate her as a deserving champion who used her social intelligence to outlast flashier players, while others will always wonder if a behind-the-scenes glitch gave her the edge she needed. In many ways, this dual perception makes her one of the most fascinating winners in recent Big Brother history. As Big Brother 27 fades into the record books, the controversy around Ashley's win proves one thing: the show remains as unpredictable and polarizing as ever. Whether it was her own brilliance or an untimely production mistake, Ashley Hollis stands as the champion, a reminder that in Big Brother, absolutely anything can happen. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.